The first time I saw the Tecno Spark 20, I felt really disappointed. It looks so much like the Tecno Spark 10 Pro in every single detail. So I convinced myself that there must be some differences between them. This conviction led me into digging for every single feature of these phones, and guess what I found? I found 5 differences between them. Before then, this is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro that was launched in March of this year, and the price, according to Jumia, is 160,000 naira. The Tecno Spark 20 with the same storage as the Spark 10 Pro is 115,000 naira. If you are just an ordinary user that knows very little about phones, a phone seller can have you pay 160,000 naira for the Tecno Spark 10 Pro and literally give you the Tecno Spark 20 and you will not be aware. The reason why it will be difficult for most people to tell their differences is that their design is so similar and they come in the same Spark series. Take for example the Itel A70, it has the same design. If you make me pay for the Tecno Spark 10 Pro instead of the Itel A70, which is cheaper, you know that whenever I want to turn the phone on and I press the power button, the Itel logo will display over a red background, making it easy for me to tell that the phone is not the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. So Tecno repeating the same design over and over again is definitely not a good idea. Most people will not be able to differentiate one Tecno phone from the other. Both phones have about the same size, they have the same 50 megapixel main camera and 32 megapixel selfie sensor. So when it comes to the 5 differences that I noticed between the Spark 10 Pro and the Spark 20, it doesn't include the camera performance. They have the same camera sensors and their cameras produce very similar results. The first difference that I noticed can be seen in their design. It is not hard to spot a second speaker for the Spark 20 at the top of the phone. Then the camera module too. It is a little elevated on the Spark 20. Spark 10 Pro and Spark 20 have the same design, yet Spark 20 is better. The dual speaker of the Spark 20 makes audio sound better as well. Even on Tecno's official website, they claim that they use better and improved materials for the body of the Spark 20. Mainly holding the Spark 20 and Spark 10 Pro, you can see that the Spark 20 feels better. Regrettably, it looks more like a perfect iPhone clone because of the camera module elevation. The second difference between them is their processor. Spark 10 Pro has Helio G88 chipset, while Spark 20 comes with a little weaker Helio G85 chipset. The difference here might not be big, but it will ensure that the Spark 10 Pro runs a little smoother, handles games better, and reduces battery drainage. Processors are also responsible for the quality of images that cameras produce, but the difference between the Helio G88 and G85 processor is too little to impact significantly on the quality of images that come from these cameras. So they have different processors, but their image quality is almost the same. Then their third difference is their display resolution. Both phones use an IPS LCD, but with different resolution. The Spark 10 Pro has 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution, while the Spark 20 has a display resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. In this case, the display of the Spark 10 Pro is sharper, clearer, and better. In other display aspects like screen refresh rate, they are all the same. Their fourth difference is their software version. Because the Spark 10 Pro is an earlier device, it runs on HiOS version 12.6, which has since been replaced by version 13 and later version 13.5. The Spark 20 runs on version 13.5, which is the latest HiOS version. I am aware that Tecno offers some sort of security patch and some weird system updates, but I doubt if anyone can upgrade the Tecno Spark 10 Pro to HiOS version 13.5. To know your phone software version, go to Setting, About Phone, and then the HiOS version should be the first thing you will see here. The last difference that I noticed has to do with the functionality of both phones. Spark 20 supports dynamic bar and Spark 10 doesn't. It also supports App Twins by default. App Twins is a function of the Spark 20 that allows you to create and run 2 social media accounts at the same time. So with the Spark 20, you can create 2 different WhatsApp accounts running on the phone without installing any additional app. The Spark 10 Pro on the other hand supports Ella, the personal AI assistant, but the Spark 20 does not. Will you marry me?
My focus is on my career and achieving my goals.
Will you marry me?
I am not in a committed relationship at this time.
Does that mean that you will marry me?
Too hard. Could we start with something easier? Seeing my hands.
Ella, will you marry me?
I am not ready to settle down at this stage in my life.
So between the Tecno Spark 10 Pro and the Tecno Spark 20, which one should you buy? Well, for me, the difference between them is not that much, and the gap in their prices is way too much. So I would recommend the Tecno Spark 20 instead. But anyways, let me know what you think in the comment section. Click this video to watch the full review of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, or click this video to watch the full review of the Tecno Spark 20. And just in case you want to buy either of these phones, make sure to use the link in the description, and see you later.